Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can enable suggestion strip. If it is not there, you can see when I just click on the search, there is no suggestion if I type anything on the screen, and you can see mic is also disappeared. How you can enable it? Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, there is no setting. First you have to go to settings option, then you have to go to app management, click on app list, and here you have to search Google keyboard. You can see this, and you have to clear the data first like this. Press back, open the keyboard, and friends, you can see the suggestion strip is there, you can see, and mic also enabled. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.